Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Facebook. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So this process is similar for both iPhone and Android. You simply need to click on Facebook and then you need to click on your profile picture on the top right. And then you need to scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Okay, and then you need to click on settings. From here you need to click on personal information. And here you can see your name. From here you can easily change your name, but make sure that if you change your name on Facebook or Instagram, you can't change it again for 60 days. Don't add any unusual capitalization, pronunciation, characters or random words. So keep this note in mind before changing your name on Facebook. So this is a process by which you can change your name on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.